Okay, we're going to test or trial fit both of our panels here. Like everything's a good fit. We'll lay that down. And we'll get our measurements for our shaker panels. So on the height, we're measuring 24 1/16. Our width, we're measuring 14 1/2. The depth in here is 1/2 inch on both sides for our panel to fit in, so that means we add 1 inch, so that would be 25 1/16 for the height. So we'll take off 1/16 to give us a little bit of play when we put it together, so we'll go 25 on the height, and then we're going to go 14 1/2 plus 1 inch would be 15 1/2. We'll give that a 1/16, so we'll call that 15 7/16 for the width. So those will be our panel sizes that we're going to cut before we glue this door up.